Welcome to the Getting Started for NOVUM Hackathon video. I am Kalyan Chakravarthi from @HadyCode, and I'll walk you through how to quickly start your project. First, navigate to Firebase.studio. Then, click on Try Firebase Studio to begin. Once the studio opens, look for Prototype Your App with AI. Here, you can start entering the prompt that describes the application you want to build. For our example, we are using this master prompt to build a responsive event management MVP using React, Tailwind CSS, and Firebase, including core features and technical requirements. After entering your comprehensive prompt, click on the Prototype with AI button to move forward. The AI tool will begin designing the application architecture based on your prompt, as shown in the console output. The AI provides an outline of the app, including style guidelines and the technology stack. Review this, and then click on Prototype this app. The building process begins in Firebase Studio, with the AI generating the necessary code files and structure for your application. Once the base application is ready, you can continue enhancing it with additional features and refinements by using new prompts.